Yeah, 100%. And the folks that I reject, trust me, months later, they're rejecting me. They go on to work for great companies and do incredible things. And their career is always better than if they had actually got the job with me. And so I think it's always an opportunity that people are giving you when you get rejected to find a better fit, to find the one that's actually going to get you to where you want to go long term, not just the check the box on the position. But I'm telling you, of all the folks that I have had the unfortunate experience of saying no to or passing on because of timing or wasn't a good skill fit or a culture match, they are doing amazing. They they are building amazing businesses. They are fundraising. They have great jobs. They're contributing. They're awesome. None of them I've ruined their life. It would nice one time maybe for me to ruin someone's life just to see if I had that power. I don't have that power. None of us have that power. No one has that power over you.